and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. So I'm starting this vlog and I just want to show you my lipstick that I'm absolutely loving, and this is the Betty Boop one I got in my box last month in Ipsy. So I'm starting this vlog with a question. What do you guys think about me starting to vlog once in a while? My life is not that exciting, but I thought I would do it once in a while, and what I'm asking you is, would you watch? I don't know. So today, oh, there's Gregory. Gregory, you want to say hi? There's Gregory. We are going out to breakfast, and there's my baby. Honey, you want to say hi? So once a week we do like going out to breakfast, especially when Mr. Gregory is visiting. And so today we are going to Egg Harbor Cafe, which is by our house. We love it, and I'll show you what I like there. And yeah, it's just a little, just get up on a Saturday morning, you just do not feel like making breakfast, and so either Saturday or Sunday, or both, we do like going out for a little breakfast. Let's switch out to my inspired Hermes bag. I'm wearing a green sweater today, so it'll match real nicely, but I love this baby. Ooh, here we go. I love their mugs, you guys. So I've got the pumpkin spice latte. Oh, yum. So good. These are the mugs I absolutely love. My honey has coffee. And then Gregory has his oranges. Where's your oranges, Gregory? Yay. All right. Gonna enjoy this little thing. It's so good. The top is cold, and then you got the latte at the bottom. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so good. Okay, so this is my favorite thing here, and it's a lobster scrambler. Literally pieces of lobster in here. And their jam is absolutely fantastic. I use this as a dessert, just on top of my English muffin. And their potatoes are amazing. And then Gregory just got a traditional bacon and eggs kind of thing. And then my hubby's spicing up his lobster scrambler, but we both love our lobster scrambler. Woo! Go for it. Okay, we're doing little in-home experiment. So that's just colored water at the bottom, right? Mm-hmm. And oil. Vegetable oil.
And Alka-Seltzer Plus.
Oh, and Alka-Seltzer Plus. There you go, Alka-Seltzer Plus. This is beautiful.
It's like a lava lamp effect.
Like an inside lava lamp, right?
Oh, it's cool.
It's fun, right? Kids will love this.
And I guess, once it starts dissolving, see it go? Yeah, cool.
There you go. We're gonna have to do more of these, all right? Oh, it's coming like from this way, man.
Isn't it cool?
There
Pretty darn cool.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Gregory, you think it's cool? So I am on my way to get nails done with my sister Anna. So with us it's me, then Anna is our middle sister, and then we have a baby sister, Tamila. And if you ever see Gregory with my husband and I, that's Anna's son. His father passed away, so that's why he hangs out a lot with us and he spends time with my husband. It's actually kind of sweet. He loves spending the weekends with us sometimes. So that's why you see like breakfast together and stuff like that. But anyway, we are on our way to get our nails done. Mine are like, they grew out so much. I do think I want to do pink and white fill-ins, but I don't know. I'm thinking of trying dip. Do any of you guys like dip? I've never done it myself, but I thought it would be worth a try. And then Anna, I think she still doesn't know what she wants. Maybe ombre. She was saying ombre, but brown and white for fall. I don't know. We will show you guys what happens. I think it'll be fun. So I decided to get something different since acrylic doesn't really sit on my hands too well. What she's doing is she's using the powder they would use for pink and white, but this is a purple powder, and so I'm gonna end up having like these beautiful purple nails, and I actually really love the way she did it. And that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more. Love you guys. Bye.